Hi everyone, welcome dear friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how to delete favorite contacts on iPhone. But before starting our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also make sure to put your likes and write comments after watching. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started on this topic. And I'll tell you that it's a pretty quick, simple process that absolutely everyone can repeat. To do this, you will need to, friends, open the phone section on your iPhone at the bottom. Then look, there are different sections down here like voice messages, keyboard, contacts, calls. And then on the very left at the very edge, you'll see favorites. These will be your favorite contacts that you have previously added. To delete such a contact, the only thing you will have to do is to swipe from the right side to the left side. Thus, you will see the option Delete, which you will need to click on. If you have, let's say, a lot of different contacts here, you want to delete more than one, you can swipe them one by one, or you can click Edit. And then click on the minus next to each of those contacts and they'll be deleted. This is the way you can very easily and very quickly delete favorite contacts on any iPhone. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and also write your comments and put likes. See you soon, friends.